Hi, my name is Molly Diamond. Now, at the beginning of every shift as a behavioral health specialist, I run my patients through a group called Community, and they indulge my sense of togetherness by answering my daily icebreaker question. My favorite, and the one that I want to share with you today, is called Two Truths and a Lie. During this introduction, I'm going to share three different statements about my prior education, work experience, and life experience. The kicker is only two will be true and the other completely false. Will you be able to spot it? Now, as I mentioned earlier, my name is Molly Diamond. I graduated from a small private school in southern Kentucky called Union College, where I was on a full ride track and field scholarship. I became the captain of the team my junior and senior year and ended up specializing in the field event called Hammer. I broke the school record in this event my sophomore year and held the record for the rest of my time on the team. After 4 years, I graduated with my degrees in psychology and substance abuse counseling, and with a lot of hours of internship work at the Appalachian Children's Home under my belt. Now, after graduation, I continued working at my family's restaurant in northern Kentucky and even bought into the business a little over a year ago now. I currently serve and help manage the front of the house while working as a behavioral health specialist at a local pediatric hospital, and I'm going to school full-time for my master's in industrial and organizational psychology. I did just accept an HR internship at a different local hospital where I will be working on research projects in career mapping and turnover and burnout entry-level positions. Now, growing up, I wasn't in the restaurant much. Rather, I spent a lot of my days in the happiest place on earth. If you're not familiar with that coin slogan, I am referencing Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. My family often took seasonal trips so I could experience the magic in the 4 different parks. From these experiences, it had always been my dream to apply for the Disney College program, but I unfortunately was never accepted into the program during my undergraduate studies. I share these experiences with you for multiple reasons. The first, because those 4 years at Union moved me 3 hours away from home and saw my really rocky first years of independence. The second, because the life skills I've learned growing up in the restaurant industry, I cherish and believe I couldn't have gained at any other job. And the third, well, that one was a lie. I did actually get accepted into the Disney College program during my junior year as an attractions intern. I had the great opportunity to work in Animal Kingdom and even had the chance to shadow land managers to see how they were able to make an impact on guests and cast members. And that was my first time ever visiting Florida. Seeing how the Fortune 500 company ran opened my eyes to a line of work that I never thought I would be interested in, which was IO psychology. My time at Union, the 10 plus years now helping my dad build and run different aspects of a restaurant, and my time in the most magical place on earth have not only molded my personal and work interests, but sparked my desire to make work life, from big business corporate to small mom and pop shops, a place that fosters a healthy environment and advocates for the betterment of the employee.